Okay, welcome back. So in this short video, I just want to share with you why I think that Facebook is a great platform to build your mailing list. Number one is because it's the most popular social network. Number two, it is interest-based targeted. So which means that when you have a niche selected, it is easier for you to capture the attention of those people who are interested in this niche. You'll find out more in the later section where I teach you how you can use Facebook metrics to decide which niche that you want to target to your advantage. Okay, and number three is because it has very high engagement, because nowadays many people log on to Facebook multiple times a day. So that's why if you leverage Facebook, you will have a lot of engagement and a lot of exposure to your niche that you want to target, and people will remember you most of the time. And I'm going to show you, this is my group in Facebook, and it has, at the time of recording, 7,000 members. And these are some of the insight over the last 28 days. I have over 300 plus new members, 2K of engagement, and this is the members growth. So you can see that it is constantly growing day by day without me doing any advertisement. So I'm going to teach you how you can do this in the next few section. So as usual, if you have any question, just feel free to post in the discussion area. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.